Hello everybody, How2EDC here. I've got kind of an interesting video here. So you've seen this knife on the channel before. Well, the other day I was just kind of looking at and playing with it, and this happened. The liner lock, whatever this is, went all the way over here. So now the knife can kind of sort of fold a little bit, but that lock won't come back. I thought that was pretty cool, but one of my friends, I guess, told me that wasn't a good thing. And so he lent me some tools to fix it, so we're going to see what we can do here. I don't typically do things like this, but, you know, whatever. Oh, wow, that's awesome. Cool. Then I guess we maybe can shove that back out? Nope. We just take apart some more handle. Wait a second, that just takes that off? Okay, that was weird. Hmm. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back. You probably couldn't tell we went anywhere because of the magic of video editing, but what I ended up doing was taking that screwdriver and just popping that back because these screws wouldn't come out. And that's why I tell people to never, ever, ever disassemble a knife. It's just not good. Okay, so there's the blade part. There's these big fat white circle washers. Okay, yeah, let's scrub those off a little bit. Alright, let's see if we can get this guy to go back together. Wow, sounds like there's all kinds of dirt in there. I like that. I love that sound. So let's take that guy, we'll throw you right there, and we'll, okay, how are we going to do this? Here's what we'll do. We'll take this little thing here. Yeah, whatever. And we'll jam that up through. Oh, it's actually D-shaped. I mean, we'll just jam, I don't know what that means. Alright, let's see here. What the crap? There we go. Go down a little bit. Ah! We're going to do another magic editing cut. Ooh, welcome back. Okay, so we have that kind of through. Listen to how gritty that is. That sounds fantastic. My buddy texted me while I was doing this. He said, "Hey, you're going to lubricate that knife?" I said, no, I don't even know what that is. Alright, let's see here. Oh, it locked up. Okay. Let's do some tinkering and fiddling around just for the heck of it. Look at that blade play. I love it. It's because that guy didn't pivot. Isn't sitting in there right. Heck. Centering. Still absolutely terrible. Blade play. Still there. Yep, I think we did it successfully. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that. So there you go. Today we both went on a journey together by disassembling this knife, which is something that we don't typically do as mall ninjas, but there it is. So oh, there we go. Perfectly bad.